Today I'm making the 2-ingredient angel food blueberry cake. This is so good. You want to make sure you grab the box that says just add water. That is the secret. I'm going to open this box and get it put into the bowl. Now I'm going to take the blueberries, I'm going to open the can and dump that in the bowl. And then you just want to mix it all together. It's always funny to me when I mix this together how foamy it gets. It doesn't start out that way, but the more you stir it, you can just see it start to get foamy. You can see that it's starting to pull into the middle now. Just got to keep working it back and forth. And there, you can kind of see how it's starting to get foamy on the sides. I love this color. I wish you could smell the way it smells right now. It smells so good. This is looking great. I'm going to go ahead and take the spatula and make sure I didn't miss anything on the bottom. In this video today, I want to use my angel food cake pan. I have made the real angel food cakes before. This recipe, because I'm just using the mix and the blueberries, is a little different. It's not the normal angel food cake. So what I want to do is I'm going to make sure I oil this. This pan has legs, so when you flip it over, I am going to oil it and make sure this cake comes out. The next one I do, I will not oil it. So it won't be today, but I will be making another one so we can compare them. Now I just want to make sure it's even. I'm just going to go all the way around with the spatula, just kind of trying to get it to lay flat. Because I want to make sure there's no air bubbles, I am going to run this knife all the way through. And I'd like to do it a couple times just to make sure. And now it is ready for the oven. I'm going to put it in the oven for 50 minutes at 350 degrees. And now it is ready. I am going to pull that out. Now I want to see if it is stuck to the sides. That was one of the things I was curious because of the blueberries, if it would be stuck to the side. And it is not stuck to the pan, which is good news. I'm going to go ahead and set it down and we're going to let it cool and I'll come back to it. And now I'm just going to flip it over and put it on my dish. Look at how good that came out. I am so happy with that. Look at the blueberries. And now I just want to cover it and just a simple icing. I'm going to pour this all over the top and just spread it around. Doesn't have to be fancy. It can be if you want it to be though. To put sprinkles on the top, it just makes it look so pretty and adds a little something extra. I've had this cake dish for quite a while and I just love how it covers up the cake. It's just so nice to have one of these. This was so easy to make. I just hope you give this one a try. Take a look at this on the inside. This is so delicious. We love frosting, we love blueberries, and angel food cake together is just such a great combination. If you enjoyed this video and you haven't subscribed, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. And I want to thank you so much for watching today.